Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to add videos, pictures to my eyes only. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my Snapchat. As you can see, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into clicking my the gallery or the albums at the bottom left right here corner. You're gonna see above the location or the GPS icon. Go ahead and click on it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into clicking the let's say for example the snap, right? If I wanted to save it to my eyes only, you're gonna be able to see that my eyes only right here. If you swipe left, my eyes only, and then enter the password of the my eyes only, and you're gonna be able to see all of the hidden stories, videos, photos on your Snapchat. So I'm gonna get back to my home, click on the snap again, click the three dots at the top right, and basically you'll be able right here to see the option of my eyes only. Click on it, basically move it to my eyes only, and that means this snap will be hidden in somewhere private in your eyes only, and then click on the my eyes only and you're gonna be able to see it right here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.